Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert the SIM card at the Poco M6 5G. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and in that box you will find another yellow box here, and if you open it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And under the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card, also optional, a second SIM card or a micro SD card in case if you want to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it like this. So there's a missing corner here on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. It only fits like that. And the contacts, they are below. Okay, and if you want, you can add also optional a second SIM card. It belongs here to the last position. This is how it should look like then. So there's also a missing corner. Belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are below as well. In case, if you want to extend the internal storage, you have to decide between a second SIM card or a micro SD card. So, I guess you want to have more storage. Take the SD card and place it at the last position here. It requires the full one. And this is how it should look like then. It only fits like that. And yeah, the contacts, they are below as well. Okay, and after, if you're ready with your construction, just put it back into the SIM slot. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.